going on, YouTube? Back again with another video. If you're new here, consider subscribing. Today we're going to be looking at the Apple silicone case for the iPhone 11 Pro Max. A few things to note about this is the inside has this nice plush material inside to protect the back side of the phone, just like the leather case does from Apple. The protection you're going to have here is very minimal. It does have rubbery silicone style material. The power button has a little button here, a little covering, and the volume up and down has a covering as well. And then your mute, vibrate, rocker is cut out, just like the Apple leather case. Then obviously you have the cutout for the three cameras, three cameras. What's really nice about this is it is not super thick. It does have the cutout at the very bottom for the speaker grill and also the power plug, the lightning cable. I do like cases that have the bottom cut out because I like the feel of the actual phone itself on my fingers like that. I feel like the cases that don't have this cut out, they have it cut out for only the lightning cable, as it cuts into my pinky finger when I'm holding my phone like a normal phone, like you'd hold it one-handed. So I like that. What's really nice is it's a really good texture feeling, silicone feeling. So it's easy to hold on to. One thing I did notice is it does collect a lot of lint, and I don't know if you can see it, but it does collect a lot of lint and a lot of dirt. So I put this in a sweatpants or maybe my jeans, a brand new pair of jeans or something like that. I noticed it collects a lot of lint on the top and on the sides when I slide it in and out of my pants pocket. So if you're worried about that, this is probably not the case for you. But this is a lightweight case. I really like it. It's thinner than the actual leather case. So if you like a more thinner case, this might be for you as well. I'll link the product in the description. They do have multiple colors. They have actually quite a few different colors. I'll link them all in the description. I think it's $29, maybe $39. But I'll link them in the description for you to check out yourself. But let's put the phone in the case. So just like most Apple cases, you put them in the front and slide the bottom in, and there you go. So it looks kind of nice with the black phone. It also has, as you can see, the ridges on here, so that way you can set your phone on a table without it touching the screen itself. So that's really nice. And like I said, you have the nice cutout on the bottom for the speaker and microphone grill, and then the lightning cable. And then, as you can see here, the nice little cutout for your the vibrate mute button switch, and then the button covers. So that's really nice. And as you can see, just handling this, you can see the little specks of lint and all that on here. So it does collect a lot. So you might consider that when you're picking out what color you want. This is the black color. The white color probably picks up less, but the white color, if you get black lint on it, it might show up on there too. But other than that, like I said, I'll link the product in the description for you to check out yourself, along with the other colors. But I really like this case, and it's really lightweight, and I use it quite often. If you're new to my channel, consider subscribing. And if you like the video, please like the button, and I'll see you next time.